All right. Number 9. 7.2. Right? So the sine of 19 pi over 12. What did I tell you to do with the pi values? 19 times 180 divided by 12 is 285. So the sine of 285. Okay? So that's the sine of what two numbers add up or subtract to give me 285? On your unit circle. 150 plus 135. I'm sure there is another one that you could have used, but we'll use that. Okay? So now you use the plus formula for sine, which is the sine of 150 cosine of 135 plus the sine of 135 cosine of 150. Okay, so what is the y value at 150 degrees? One half. Thank you. What is the x value at 135?
Excuse the interruption at this time. Any
The x value is negative square root of 2 over 2. 135 is the 45 degree angle. And then we have... Did I die? Hold on a second.
The new station go.
Okay, what's the y value at 135? And the x value at 150? Negative. Okay, the negatives are what's important on these. Okay, so you have negative square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 all over 4. All right. Next question. 17. Too late.
Got it.
Number 17. Working these backwards, cosine of 3 pi over 7. Cosine of 2 pi over 21. Plus the sine of 3 pi over 7. Times the sine of 2 pi over 21.
I wonder if we'll come in, like, change it
Yeah.
to this one there, talking decimal, that's 17, like 14, all over one.
Why'd you change them?
Because I just didn't like the way they looked.
Okay, well, first of all, let's put them together. So you need to recognize this is the cosine formula of 3 pi over 7. And this is plus, which in the cosine formula, it started out as a minus. Okay? And what is it, 2 pi over 21? So if you look at that, you really have the cosine of, you got to get a common denominator. So that would be 9 pi minus 2 pi over 21. So it's the cosine of 7 pi over 21, or the cosine of pi over 3. So the cosine of 60 degrees, x value at 60 degrees, is 1/2. Good. Next question. 35. Okay. 35 is 20. Oh, I didn't record any of that. That's so nice. There's the picture.
Just go through it.
Good luck with all that. What?
Can you go up?
Yes, I can go up. And then and we'll start recording this time. 29. Isn't it funny how stupid your teacher is? Okay. The tangent of x minus pi is equal to the tangent of x. Okay, again, you need to recognize this is one of the formulas you're going to be doing, so let's use that. So that's the tangent of x minus the tangent of pi all over 1 plus tangent of x tangent of pi. Okay? What is the tangent at pi? 0? So on the left we have the tangent of x minus 0 and 1 plus the tangent of x times 0. Well, anything times 0 is 0. And the tangent of x minus 0 over 1, that is just the tangent of x, which is what is on the right side. So they look ugly, but once you get started, there's usually only like 1 or 2 things you got to do, and you get the other side. Guys, that's why you need to practice. All right, number 51.
Does anyone say something?
Anybody what?
So does anyone here understand it? Not like that?
51. All right, this one's actually easy. We didn't really do one of these. If you're drawing a triangle on these, you're doing it wrong. Because this is something that is so simple, you're going to kick yourself. Okay, so let me ask you. What is the cosine when the inverse is 1/2? Meaning when x is 1/2, positive 1/2, what angle are you at?
When x is positive,
Yeah,
you have
at pi over 3. This is the sine, pi over 3. Where's the tangent 1? Pi over 4. And now you have the sine of pi over 3, cosine of pi over 4, plus the sine of pi over 4 times the cosine of pi over 3. Or you could have said this. Ready? That's 60. That's 45. And you have to figure out the sine of 105. Now, you don't know that. Sometimes they work out to something that you do know, and you didn't need to finish it. But since we don't know 105, we actually do what this is down here. So the y value at 60 degrees is what?
6 degrees pi by 32.
And the cosine at 60 degrees? That's right. So you have the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2 all over 4. That's the answer. Which would give you the same thing as that.